Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I am going to give you some update regarding Wonderbits. Hope many of you have already joined this game and some of you are quite confused about what next. After joining this game, what next we have to do and how we can proceed. This is the main question they are asking, and some of my friends they are asking that Hussein कहाँ से मिलेगा ये he has asked me in Hindi, so I will explain in this video. And one friend John Levy, not only John Levy, there are quite few friends, they are asking, bro, please play unseen battleground game once. I wanna play it, but I am facing difficulties while playing. This is my humble request to all of you who are requesting me to play unseen battleground. Please send me the link and let me know how I can start playing. I will cover the play, that's different issue, but I am not sure that which game you are referring to. So please be specific, and if possible give me the URL or whatever you are having regarding that game, so that I can watch out, I can just research and do those gameplay for you. Of course, this channel is dedicated to you, so whatever I know about this game, about any new game, I will discuss with you so that we can grow properly. Now let's come to this game, Wonderbits. There are one question that after first week of bonus, after daily login rewards, how we can earn x bits. So the thing is that there are few things you have to keep in mind. First, every day for first 7 days you will get that X bits. That's for sure. Apart from that, you will get some bonus, and you can see my level is 5 and I have collected 2000 points. Okay. Now this is daily login bonus. This is sign up bonus. Will be given for 7 days. Some X bits and some orbs. You all know that orbs will help you to get new capsule, new Wonderbits, and you can plant or you can place those Wonderbits in your land. But how we can grow? Sorry. How we can grow? If you click on achievement, you can see lots of things are there, and if you fulfill those achievements, you are supposed to get, rather you are bound to get this X bits, right? If you own 5 islands, you will get 10 X bits. If you log in 7 days in a row, you are going to get 5 X bits. Raft boosting, use 2 raft speed booster, you will get 2 X bits. And if you see what achievement I have completed, you can see social bit, join a squad, 5 X bits, invite 1%, 2 X bits, invite 3%, 5 X bits, invite 5%, 5 X bits. That's different. If you can do, you may get. If you are not able to get any new friends, then no problem, you can do this, of course, on 2 island, and for that you will get 5 XPs. What you have to do, look, this was my first island and this was primal isles. I made it up to level 9. I upgraded it up to level 9, and after some time I found that it's written, look it carefully, it was written no more resource left, right? So when your when your island is used that much, you will find in such position that no more resource left. So if you place your bits there, there is nothing they can produce, and you cannot move forward in this game. So after sometimes you have to keep this in mind, you have to buy a new island. So how you will do that? And for that you need 20 bits. So how you'll do that? You have to click here, right? This is shop. orbs and capsules. You all know orbs are for Wonderbits. For 30 orbs, you can buy a Wonderbit, and this is basically common, uncommon, and some simple, some basic nature of Wonderbit and bits. And if you buy this by paying 150, then you, if you click on that, look, a shiny orb that holds the power of your own companion, higher chances of getting higher rarity bits. So if you pay 150 x bits, you may get a very rare bits, and that will produce lots of resources from the land, and your game progression will be faster than ever. This is a thing you must keep that in mind, that if you get that much amount, you must invest it buying these bit orbs too. Okay. And when I started this game, I was not aware, so I bought three normal orbs, and that cost one, that cost already 90 x bits. So right now I am having only 41 x bits, though I got some achievements after that, some plus and minus, I got 41. So I have to be careful from now onwards, so that I must not waste x bits in such a foolish way. And this is the thing, Terra Capsulator. This mysterious capsule summons a mysterious island at your disposal, and buy and open one. If your land is exhausted, if your land is no more producing any resources, then you have to come here at Terra Capsulator and buy a new land, and you have to buy an open one. Then you may get this, then you will get this one, probably this one you will get. And this is level 1 Veterant Island, and apart from that there is Exotic Island, that is also available for the next round. And Crystallizers, you can buy that one even after this. And the last one is Celestial Angels. And one thing I have made it wrong, that I invested lots of exhibits on upgrading this island, because while, look, this one I can show you, this is on level 1. And if you click on here, you can see upgrade, right? You can see upgrade. If you click on upgrade, you see for 20 exhibits I can upgrade to level 2. So if I use this, then I may lose 20 exhibits right now. But the thing is that I have to upgrade it, but in the first position I must not upgrade it to level 9. So I lost a lot of coins in such a way. So that's why I'm now thinking what next move I'll do, so that I can save my exhibits, as well as I can make a good amount of progress in this game. So this is the cautious to all of you, that don't waste your exhibits unnecessarily. Of course you have to use these exhibits in such a way so that move you can move forward in this game. And this is the thing. Well, right now I am having this one, and I can claim this, right? And basically you can travel. Let's see, let's go to Evergreen Travel once, and if it is not selling anything, then I have to move to another island. And you all know the thing, what the scenario is. While you will go into bazaar, yes, here you can see 7 points. I am selling this. Okay, This is also 7 points. 1 point. So in coming days, when your land will grow up, you will get lots of other resources, and you will come to this bazaar and sell it directly there. And apart from that, you can see there is shop, while you can buy those ingredients so that it will give you some faster return, means basically a booster. And when you will go to level 6, as I cross level 5, then basically I guess it's from level 3, Palmset village. I can go to Palmset village, and there are several bazaars are there, so I can trade off my resources there. And apart from that, while I'll be in level 6, then Serra Brazier Harbor and Starfall Sanctuary will be at level 10. And check this, to reach there I have to spend 1 hour and 7 seconds if I don't have that booster. So I have to be very very cautious and restore those exhibits every day whatever I am getting. And here you can see your referral links. If you got some referrals, you can copy and send to your friends. And this is the squad. You must join a squad, whatever squad you may join. And for that you will earn some xberries. And this is your personal details. You can see this is level, this is point, and this is rank. And keys, I am not holding any key, so I'm not getting it. And this is season 0 leaderboard. You can check out all the things. So I guess I have covered all the necessary things for this gameplay. So keep on playing this, and if you need any further assistance, I'll be there to assist you for the next stages. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.